Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Now I'm going to show you how to create a web page using Express and Node.js. First I'm going to create a directory called web page using Express inside my project folder in the D driver. And then I'm cd over to the directory which I am created just now. Now I am creating app.js file using touch command using a hypertext terminal. Now I am initializing npm with a y flag which tells yes to all the default values. And then I am installing Express module using npm install express command. After we enter that, it takes some time to install Express module. After installing Express module, I am going to open my Atom application using atom dot command. And then Atom application will open. Now I am going to write some code inside my app.js file. After installing Express module, we have to require that Express module using constant variable. And then I am creating constant variable called app from the Express module using the Express class. In that Express class, there is a function called listen which takes two input. The first input is port number and the second input as callback function. I am setting a port number as 3000, and then in the callback function I am just console log as a message like server is running at port 3000. After that I am writing get function which is also present in Express class and which also takes two inputs. The first input as path and the second input is as usual callback function. I am giving home root as the first input. In the callback function, it also accepts two input which is request and response. Request is used to get or accept any information from the website or web page. Response is used to send any information to the web page. Now I am using response to send some information to the web page. After we finish all that, we have to save using Ctrl S if at all it's not working. After saving our code, we are supposed to go into hypertext terminal and type node app.js. In there we are seeing a server is running at port 3000 which we have written in that listen function. After our server is running, we are going to any other browser and type localhost 3000. Then we have seen that response message which we have written in that get method. Now I am going to show you how to send two or more line information to that web page. Instead of writing response.send method, we are supposed to use response.write method. We are using response.write method as much as we can, and after writing all that stuff, we are using response.send to send all the message. I'm just writing two lines. The first line is to be hello and second line is to be welcome to my Express web page. After that I'm writing response.send to send all the informations to that web page. And then I'm going to my hyper terminal and Ctrl C to end that server and restart our server using node app.js, and we have seen that message server is running at port 3000. And then I'm going to my browser and refresh my localhost 3000 page. Then you can see two lines of messages are displayed in that browser. For stopping the server, you can already know you can use Ctrl C to stop that server running. Now I'm going to show you how to render an HTML page using Express and Node.js. Node.js is used to run our JavaScript code without using any HTML code. The first step is to install EJS module, which is used to render EJS page. EJS is also similar to HTML page. After installing that module, the first step is to require that module using constant variable. And then we have to set view engine as EJS in that constant variable called app. You have to write as similar as I can because it's very case sensitive. After that, I am creating views folder, and inside that views folder we are supposed to create our index.ejs. We are creating views folder because in the EJS module it's necessary to create our EJS file inside our views folder. If at all we are not creating the views folder, then it's not working. It shows error. I already told you EJS file is similar to HTML file. So I am just changing title to Express and write some message like welcome to Express web page. After editing my index.ejs file, I am going into my app.js file, and inside that get method we are supposed to write response.render method. Inside that we are giving our file name as string. After finishing and saving our code, we are supposed to come to hyperterminal and write node app.js. Again, app.js is a file name which is created just now. And then I am going to my browser and type localhost 3000, where 3000 is my port number, and we can see our EJS file is rendered on the website. I hope this video is useful for you to create a simple website using Node.js and Express. If this video is useful, then please make sure to like this video and comment down below and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you for watching.